Se salieron, estamos de frente a la verga. ¡Ah!
Prepare to witness the extraordinary. Marvel as excavator operators push the limits of possibility, delivering breathtaking feats that will captivate your senses and ignite your excitement. Conquering the sleeping giant, a spine-tingling moment as the colossal mast is gently lowered onto the Bucyrus Erie 2570W dragline. The immense steel structure crashes down with an earth-shattering roar, as if awakening a long-dormant power. For the unbelievable twist, the massive dragline struggles to mount the tiny barge, only to succumb to gravity and plunge into the deep sea. A truly spectacular display, an awe-inspiring spectacle of chaotic steel and surging water that will leave you speechless. Hear the deep forest resonate with the powerful growl of the LKT-81 turbo off-road truck. Its robust 120 horsepower diesel engine effortlessly hauls a staggering 6,000 sidestake 14-pound log across the treacherous terrain. A vivid demonstration of raw mechanical prowess and unwavering durability. It sounds like pure madness, yet a 300 horsepower concrete mixer truck weighing over 22,000 pounds was gracefully lifted into the air at a bustling dam construction site. Suspended mid-air with balletic precision, it left onlookers utterly dumbfounded by the sheer ingenuity of the engineering marvel. If the dramatic topple of the Tata Hitachi excavator gripped your attention, don't hesitate to show your appreciation with a 1 in the comments below. Unleashing its formidable 700 horsepower, the massive Komatsu D475 bulldozer effortlessly carves through solid rock in a mere hour. Its advanced drivetrain system allows it to conquer even the most demanding landscapes with remarkable speed and efficiency. Two formidable trucks, each boasting over 400 horsepower and once tainted by illegal dumping activities, have now met their crushing demise. The immense force of the crusher didn't just obliterate these steel behemoths, it delivered a resounding message against unlawful actions. Unbelievable. The WC300, a colossal machine engineered for the most demanding tasks, boasts a potent 400 horsepower engine. With its extraordinary power, it effortlessly clears even the most expansive and challenging environments. A truly captivating sight as the massive Liebherr 984 excavator, powered by a robust 500 horsepower engine, is carefully transported by a heavy-duty trailer. The synergy of the excavator's immense power and its exceptional transportability ensures easy deployment to even the most remote construction sites. How do you carefully lower a 30 to 800-pound excavator from the summit of a towering compost pile? Witness the impressive descent of the 400-horsepower excavator. With its extraordinary power, it gracefully navigates the challenging slope, each movement a testament to its precision and incredible mechanical strength. Your gaze will be irresistibly drawn to this spectacle. The robust Backhoe excavator, with its 150-horsepower engine and considerable weight, is skillfully loaded onto a flatbed trailer without the aid of a ramp. Employing a sophisticated lifting and towing system, this powerful machine ascends step by precise step, showcasing remarkable accuracy and incredible mechanical strength. One must admit, this transport operation is truly world-class. The powerful excavator, equipped with a 350-horsepower engine, is seamlessly loaded onto a trailer without the need for an access ramp. Utilizing an advanced lifting system, every movement of the excavator is executed with meticulous precision, highlighting superior strength and engineering excellence. An awe-inspiring scene as the powerful Riedler 3-axle tractor, with its commanding 500-horsepower engine, executes a flawless turn within the dense forest. Each movement is executed with pinpoint accuracy, skillfully navigating the rugged terrain. Nothing compares to the sheer might of the Sherpin. With its surprisingly capable 44-horsepower engine and unique design, this robust vehicle fearlessly conquers ice in the most extreme conditions. Its massive tires glide effortlessly over thick ice, shattering it with incredible force. This scene is truly captivating, showcasing the exceptional capabilities of this versatile vehicle. Observe those perilous angles. The bus, having lost control, plummeted downwards, teetering precariously on the very edge of collapse. A dramatic accident scene unfolds as the bus is painstakingly hauled back up with powerful cables, inching its way to safety with absolute precision and unwavering tension. If the sheer power of these incredible machines has left you in awe, don't hesitate to show your appreciation with a 1 in the comments below. Witness the immense power of the colossal truck as it transports a rig weighing thousands of tons across the unforgiving terrain of Yemen. With its mighty 800-horsepower engine, each wheel bites deep into the earth, showcasing exceptional performance in the harshest of environments. Observe the masterful maneuvering as the Doyon rig assembly and its substantial base are skillfully navigated through a tight corner. The heavy-duty truck operates with remarkable precision, executing each turn with meticulous care and exceptional power, demonstrating true expertise in the field. Absolutely incredible. This is undoubtedly the most captivating machinery video I've ever encountered. The shocking sight of the truck tipping over, spilling its load of rocks and dirt, is truly unforgettable. But thankfully, it was swiftly rescued by a powerful loader and a heavy-duty excavator, showcasing remarkable power and outstanding problem-solving capabilities. Witness the perfect synchronization of two massive Cat machines as a powerful crane expertly loads cargo onto the colossal Cat 789C haul trucks, each weighing an astounding 418,000 pounds. Every movement of the excavators is precise and powerful, efficiently transporting massive loads across challenging terrain with remarkable speed and effectiveness.